Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. I do all things budgeting and I am trying my hardest to get monetized before September, let's just say September the 18th. Hopefully it can happen. If not, we'll just keep working at it. What I wanted to do is just close out this budget because tomorrow I'm going out of town and won't have time to close out anything. So I just wanted to show you the rest of my transactions. So we know about Arby's, definitely keeping them open. And then if we skip down to where the dental visit was, remember I did pay $435.30, paid that in cash, and I kept the rest, put it back into the dental fund, well, medical fund for the dentist. On the 27th, I went to BP, ordered something from Amazon, and got Jasmine some food from Petco. Totaled up to $74.69. I did pay that with my Navy Federal credit card. Oh no. Okay, I'm back. I had to check on Jasmine. She started coughing, and we all know what that is when the dogs start coughing like that. So yeah, I had to check on her, make sure she was okay before something happened. Anywho, on the 28th, $40.24 spent at Walmart and the discount store. I did use my Leaders Credit Union credit card. I may return. So yesterday I went and got my hair done, and what is she doing? Jasmine, what are you doing? Oh boy, here we are again, fussing at the dog. So I got my hair done, and my hair is growing, but it's also kind of reverting back to how it was that one time when I got it cut. It was kind of breaking off in the middle, and no, I have not had any rubber bands or any ponytails or anything like that. I'm thinking, and my stylist is also thinking, due to being vitamin D deficient, you know, it can kind of have your hair growing kind of all over the place, different ways and whatnot, and can kind of stop your hair from growing as well. So she did do a little trim. I will attempt to insert, well, I don't have the picture after she did the trim. I'll have to have Travis to take that picture for me. And she did say I could. What are you doing? This is Jasmine, y'all, being rude. She's wanting me to open the door. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back, and Jasmine decided she wanted to go where Travis was. I did pick up some hair vitamins, but I picked up the wrong kind. The kind I wanted was the hair, skin, and nail gummy vitamins. I picked up hair growth, which I don't need. I don't want, you know, is to make your hair thicker, fuller, all of that, but that's not the kind that I want, so I'm going to return those. And then Barbie, I sent out your package, of course. Jasmine, what are you doing? Now she's back in here with me, y'all. So Barbie, I sent out your package. You should be getting it on the 3rd, if I'm correct. And let's go ahead and look at this because I did write things down. I do want to thank Tasha. Jasmine, lead. Oh boy, hold on, y'all. I do want to give a shout out to Chris at Budgeting Just Because, Tammy over at Make Money Save Money, of course Tasha at Mind Your Money. I saw where, you know, you all shared and all of that with my post to try to help me get to the watch hours I need. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Also, let's go ahead and look at this. So of course I'm over, and y'all, tell me why my gum is still hurting but I still feel good. So let's look at this. If I can, there we go. So my watch hours as of this morning on the 29th was 33.78, and that's as of the 24th. So when it comes to my Leaders Credit Union credit card, remember back when I said I did get DoorDash, it was $15.09 for Google. I got that money. For the other two things, I don't have that money, and when I take this back to the store, I should end up, just owing them around $40 and some change, which I will pay off. For Navy Federal, when everything add up, I am going to owe them $80.04. So I haven't made any payments just yet. I do have, I want to say $68 that I can put towards this, and what I'll do, since I know I was going to be over anyway, I'll just get the money from savings, probably not from my emergency, or I may just go ahead and get it from emergency, since I knew I was going to be over, so it's not an emergency, but I don't want to use my September paycheck to pay for stuff that happened in August, so I want to go ahead and get rid of this amount. So that's all I have. I hope you all have a great day. Bye. And I do have other videos that I've already previously recorded and need to go in and edit, and when you see this video, it will be maybe a couple days later. So have a great day, enjoy your Labor Day weekend, and thank you so much for helping me. Bye.